just arrived in Kyoto, and from the Kyoto station to the hotel is less than 1.5 km. The hotel name is quite tricky, so I have to check it because there are two very similar hotels nearby each other. Even the hotel sent me an email to make sure I check in into the right hotel. So probably many people making that mistake. Hold on, where is that email? The hotel name is Henn Hotel Premier Kyoto Gojo Karasuma, and the other hotel nearby, Henn Hotel Premier Kyoto Station Gachiyo Guchimae. Still 400 meters to go, just around the corner. Let's check the Google Maps. This could be. Yeah, and Hotel Premier. Baggage storage. Wholesale service. Set your own password. But remember, the same, both the same. Easy peasy. You can check in online. We got an email 3 days ago from the hotel to self-check-in, and we have a QR code to scan it at the reception around 3 p.m. It's still 12 o'clock around. Yeah, almost half 12. Everything easy, straightforward. I was wondering if we're gonna need somebody to help us with the luggage storage, but everything is self-service. Japanese wines. We might try something. Toilet, wheelchair accessible, just at the reception. Nice, clean, spacious. So our room is 212. Here it is. Take your shoes off before you enter there. But I won't be able to take my wheels off. Again, access to the bed from the back. Little Japanese table. Not accessible, too low. tatami room. Nice. Now let's check the most important part. Where is the light? Over there. And take that. So, grab rails around the toilet. Sink with a nice level. I think I will be able to get in. Just need to remove that seat that it used for showering, not for me. I can use that sink even with my shoes on. That's good sign. But again, I think I will need to use the back of the bath and ask my wife to pass me the shower head. No other way. I won't be able to use that. Unless they have some shower chair. I will ask later on. But the bathroom is still spacious. One more option is that I could take a shower when sitting on the floor. There is drainage around. That's the seat for is for able-bodied people, not for me. But what we might do is push it back to the wall there, and I will have access from the side. And I have access from the side. We push that table and chairs in the corner. And it's easy to roll on that foam, whatever it is. One more important thing in Kyoto hotel we're staying in, that the room which is called tatami room, I should remember that, tatami room, is with very low bed, about 7-inch, 15 centimeters. So the beds are very low. And one more thing, also very important, I asked at the reception if they have any kind of shower chair. No, they don't have any. So what I'm going to do is, when I want to take a shower, I'll use that landing at the end of the bath to sit on it and ask my wife to pass me the shower head, just like I did before in the Osaka, the Flag Hotel. So be prepared. Low mattress bed level and no shower chair, but spacious. And this is the closest to Japanese style room for wheelchair users. So something for something. Depends what you want. You know everything now, so make a decision. These pieces of paper are breakfast coupon, so don't throw them out when you get them. Kyoto candy, 500 yen. Sweets. Okay. Thank you. 冷えたビールください。
冷えたビールあげてください。Beer only.
Okay.
Okay. Light, middle, dark.
IPA.
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 One.
Light.
Light. Okay. IPA とマキア。